introducing to you the most stunning product which you can see on the Indian road, the all-new Aprilia SXR 160. On this vehicle, the use of chrome, the Aprilia graphics, the high quality 3 HD coating in terms of paint, and all that feature which is required to make this vehicle the most stunning looking vehicle and the vehicle which looks super premium. I'll take you to the features of this product, because I've been talking about three broad categories. One being the style, one is the comfort, and other is the performance. So let me take you in detail what I mean when I talked about unmatched style. Of course, it's a premium design. When you look at the product, it's all around, it's a premium and a super premium design which has been incorporated, and the first of its kind in a new category. The highlight of this product, of course, is a signature Aprilia headlamps. It is the first time in India we are coming with a completely LED solution headlamps with the DRLs. Also, the blinkers are also integrated and also with an LED solution. It has taken the inspiration from the new RS 660, and that is the highlight of this vehicle. The LED tail lamps as well. So the tail lamp solution also comes with LED with integrated blinkers. The dark chrome embellishments, which again enhances and accentuates the beauty of this product. The saddle, I think the sweat feel like leather sweat feel like feel to the Aprilia stable has always been superior in terms of performance and technology, and absolutely this product is no different. It is the first time also that we come with 160cc 3-valve fuel injection, environment friendly emission norms with this vehicle. It gives you a power of 11 PS at 7,100 RPM. It gives you a torque of 11.6 Newton meter at 5,750 RPM. So it is undoubtedly one of the most powerful scooters you will see on the Indian roads. The digital cluster, I think again it's one of its kind for the Indian market. It's one of the biggest and the most effective digital cluster you will see. It's 210 square centimeter with hosts of features in it. Of course, with the speedometer, it comes with an RPM meter. Again, the first time a two-wheeler with an RPM meter is there. We have other loads of features, including 2 trip meters. It gives you ambient temperature. It can gives you mileage, average mileage per trip, average mileage which you got on this vehicle. Also, an important feature like distance to empty. Again, in two-wheeler space, this feature has never been introduced. It is there that we add for the riders to know where, when, and how they have to visit a fuel station. So, distance to empty is an absolutely new feature which has been added in the two-wheeler space for the Indian market here. Also, we have an optional feature of mobile app connectivity with the vehicle, and of course, with that you get another host of other features. You can track your vehicle, you can locate your vehicle, you can raise concerns, you can raise alarm, you can raise service alarms through that app, and also, of course, you can post on social media. I've been talking about the comfort. I think that is a factor which has been emphasized while we were designing this product and while we were executing that design, is that it is a master agronomically engineered product where the comfort of the riders and comfort of the pillion has become the paramount importance for us. So with that, it comes with a dual telescopic front suspension. Again, one of the best in class. It also comes with a rear adjustable suspension. Again, it is a 5-step rear adjustable suspension, because the importance of co-rider, his sitting position, and to take it on the Indian bumpy roads, it was important to have an adjustable suspension, and we have introduced that feature in this product. The longer seat, I think that is one of the longest and the widest seat which is available, which gives ample space for the rider and the pillion, so that they can sit comfortably and ride on this vehicle. We have raised the handlebar also so that it can be maneuvered in the Indian traffic. And of course, the thick raised pillion grab which is there on the vehicle on the rear also gives support to the co-riders while holding it, and also gives them stability while maneuvering the traffic in India. The flexible foot pegs which is there, I think for the pillion, it's a well-designed, well-integrated foot pegs are there, which is retractable, and ample legroom for the riders in the front. Our love for space in India, I think that feature has also been attended to. It comes with ample space with a split glove box in the front. It has a USB charger for mobile connectivity, and also ample space under the saddle, which is also well illuminated. The integrated fly screen, I think, again, it's a dark integrated fly screen which has been introduced. Of course, besides aesthetic appeal, it also gives comfort for the rider to save it from the dust and the wind which is coming through. So all that features have been incorporated in this product to make it one of the most comfortable riding experience for the friends and family, not only for the daily city ride, but also a weekend getaway ride with friends and family. Safety, I think safety is not an option when it comes to Aprilia and Vespa, and we ensure that the rider safety and the co-rider safety is attended to the hilt. So this vehicle comes with ABS, with the anti-lock braking system. It has a disc brake in the front, which is again one of the best disc brakes we can have, and the most effective braking which you will experience on the Indian road. It comes with 220 mm disc, front disc. And as I did mention about the LED solution, but what is different in this vehicle when you compare to the other LED solution available in India is that this vehicle comes with a D-class LED solution. For a layman, this implies is that the lumens, which is the intensity of the LED, is 1000 lumens. And what you see in the other vehicles, which offers LED solution, is the lumen with 500 to 600, which implies that in the night, for the rider, they have the much better visibility. It's very sharp lights, and the intensity is double to what is available in LED solution in India. Of course, besides the beautiful design of the wheel of 12-inch, it also comes with the wider tire, which is one 20/70 12-inch tire. It is one of the widest tires which you have, which gives you a better grip, especially in the wet conditions. It also gives you balance at the low speed. It gives you stability at a high speed as well. So a lot of emphasis has been given in terms of ensuring that the vehicle is one of the most balanced vehicle which you will see on the Indian road. This vehicle is available in 4 colors at this point of time in India, with all 4 stunning colors, be it the glossy red, the matte blue. We have the classic black and the white, which is all displayed here for you to see. So this vehicle will be available in 4 colors. So friends, we did talk about all the features with the product, but when you look at Piaggio, and when I say that Piaggio since its inception is pioneer in creating new league of products, especially in Indian market, when we introduced and created and made inroads with 125cc and 150cc product. And with this product, we intend to create a new category again. Because what we see in Indian market and for the Indian customer is that either they are a product which is high on comfort, either they're high on performance, or they're high on style. But there's never ever a product which have a beautiful amalgamation of all 3. So this is the first product which we can safely say that you are replacing your oars with an N. And it is one of the products which is exemplary in style, is superior in performance, and with an unmatched comfort. And that is where the product comes in, that it is a maximum design, a new category which we intend to create, and we are confident that the Indian market will accept with that category. And therefore, this is a product which which is a target audience for that. There's a category called maximizers. The people, the young couple, and when I say young, I also mean people young at heart. They want to experience life. They want to work hard.